In a quiet aviary, Pippa the Parrot discovered something peculiar, the sound of her own laughter. It all started when her owner accidentally spilled a tray of colorful beads, and Pippa, intrigued, mimicked the sound of giggles she often heard from the family. Her imitation was so spot on that it set off a chain reaction, making other birds join in the fun. Now, her feathered friends couldn't resist following her lead every time she laughed, turning the aviary into a chorus of chirpy giggles. And thus, without any plan, Pippa became the comedic star of the bird community, spreading joy and laughter with her irresistible charm.